In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to rename a GCP project. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your account. Now from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the project opener or project picker up here. And from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the new project, and right to the right of it, you'll see more actions. Now from here, you'll need to go down to the settings button down here. And once from here, you'll be able to see all of your recent projects. From here, you'll need to choose the specific project that you want to rename. So let's just choose this specific one, or the first one. And from here, you'll be able to see up in the first one here, project name. And here I can rename it to, let's say, demo 1 instead of demo. From here, I can click save. And then as you can see now, viewing project demo 1 in organization, like so. From here, you'll also be able to see up here on the right hand side with project picker, you'll see demo 1 instead of just demo. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!